Hello everyone, welcome to Suvidya. Today's topic is diary writing. So the diary writing is the most personal and informal category of writing. We can say that diary work as our real friend because sometimes we cannot share our feelings with others, but with the help of diary writing we can share our views, our ideas, our feelings, our experience, any event we can write in that. So diary writing can be based on our experience, a description or narration or certain event or activity that the writer consider worth writing in his or her diary. Now there are some guidelines related to writing any diary. What are these guidelines? First of all, a good diary writing contains the date. Okay, in starting at the top left you have to write the date, the day and even the time of writing. So that is the most important thing for related to examination point of view, that at the top left you have to write date. Some people also write place also, so you can write place also. So but most important thing, date, day and time at the top left you have to write this. Now how you have to write date? If date is 29th July 2019, so you should not write 29 and you cannot write like that. You have to write the date like this. Similarly, if you are writing any day, so in examination don't write only Friday, you have to write completely. Similarly, if you are writing time, so you have to mention AM or PM. Generally we can write diaries at the night. Now if you are writing any diary, so the main body content will be divided into three parts. At first you have to write the introduction. We cannot start the diary from the main point in starting. So at first you have to write the introduction. In introduction you can say about your feelings, that you are feeling good or you are feeling not good, and you can write about weather. So you can start your diary from that. Then in the middle point, the event or the incident, you have to write the incident, what are related to this particular diary you are writing. So you have to explain the complete incident. For that, first of all you have to know that this particular diary is written by you, so you have to mention I. Okay, first person I. So you cannot use other things, you only have to use I. Similarly, generally it is used and it is right for to revise the past things, so you have to use simple past tense. And at last you have to write the conclusion, that what will be the future actions will be there related to your content or your incident. So that will be the central portion of your diary, and at the last you have to write your signature or you can write your name. A diary doesn't need any formal heading, but sometimes some people also write heading, so it is optional. The style and tone is generally informal and personal. Signature is optional. So these are some important guidelines to writing any diary. Now we are taking one example related to diary writing. So here one example is there related to my day during lockdown. At first you have to write the date, 19th April 2020, Monday, 8 p.m. Dear diary, these past days were traumatic. India is in a total lockdown because of the coronavirus. So I am forced to stay at home against my will. I miss going out with my friends. Talking about the school, my school is decided to do online classes until this all blows over. Anyway, my day in quarantine starts at 6:45 a.m. when I wake up and practice yoga. At 8:40 a.m. I attended the online class for science. When the first two classes were done at 11 a.m. I had a 10-minute break. Then the other three classes finished at 1 p.m. I finished school at 2:25 p.m. a total of 6 hours a day. So my day in quarantine is not that interesting, but I'm getting through it. Bye and see you soon, Dushyant. So you can write such type of diaries. Thank you so much.